morning students. I hope you all are fine. So yesterday we have started our project work on poster making and today we are going to make posters. So let's start. Hello everyone. So we are going to continue our project work today. Let me tell you one thing. You can do your project in your project notebook. If you're not having project notebook, you can even do your project work in any other rough notebook. You can even use drawing sheets or colored sheets to do your project work. Okay. So today I have planned a competition for you, that is poster making competition section wise. So you all have to send me your posters before Monday, and in my next video, that is on Wednesday, I'll be telling you the best posters. I'll be announcing the name of the winners section wise. So there are 5 sections, so one from each and one from new students. Fine. So I'll be revealing the name of top 6 posters. So all the best. Make nice posters. Fine. So this is a competition, poster making competition section wise. Fine. Now let us revise what we have studied yesterday, that what is a poster. As I've told you, poster is one of the communication medium used to convey message. Fine. Then I've told you there are 3 main parts of poster, that is heading, picture and message. The message of a poster should be brief and clear, and a poster should be both eye catching as well as it should provide us with the information. Fine. Operation Blackbeard, we have started this chapter by Abid Surti. If you have not studied, you can go back to the videos and you can study it. We have discussed that there was a robber, Bhutnath. So we are going to make wanted posters regarding this. The dreaded dacoit Bhutnath has looted many houses of Nagadpur. He has also robbed jewellery box of Begum Rangili. The entire village is in search of him. We have studied that the robber Bhutnath, he has robbed so many houses. He has robbed Nawab's friend Sher Singh's house also. He has robbed even Nawab's house, and the entire village is in search of him. So today we are going to make wanted posters regarding Bhutnath. Fine. If you have not studied this chapter, I'll be giving you the link below. You can go and study this chapter. Fine. So we are going to make wanted poster regarding Bhutnath. How to draft a poster. How to draft a wanted poster, this I'll be telling you now. Fine. As you can see here, I have mentioned the heading over here. It is in bold letters written as wanted. Below here we have to write the name of the villain. In the center we will be placing the picture of the robber. At the left hand side you can see reward, last scene. At the right hand side there are mentioned footprints and marks. And below it is mentioned the crime that Bhutnath has done. So this is one of the format in which you can create the wanted poster. As you can see, heading is there in bold. Then here in the center we'll be placing the picture, we'll be drawing the picture of Bhutnath. After that, below we have to mention the message. It should be clear and it should be in a short form. As you all know, the word limit is just 50 words. It is eye catching, and as well as at the same time it is providing us with the information also. Fine. So this is one of the format. Heading is there, picture is there, and it is providing us with the message also. This is the second format. As you can see again, wanted, heading is there in bold. Then here is the picture. At this side I have written appearance and other information, and below there is space for the message. Fine. This is another format that we can use. You can use any kind of format. It is just that the message should be clear and it should be eye catching. You just need to remember that there must be 3 things. First is heading, second is picture, and third is message that should be brief and clear. And it should be eye catching at the same time. Fine. This is another format. Now I'll be showing you some more creative poster ideas related to wanted poster. As you can see here, wanted is written, picture is there, reward is mentioned, it is eye catching, it is providing us with the information also. So you can draft a poster like this also. Then you can see wanted, dead or alive, then picture is there, and at the end reward is mentioned. As you can see, the robber also, he is wearing a mask due to COVID-19. Another picture, wanted is written, it is eye catching, picture is there, reward is mentioned, it is having heading, picture and message also. Fine. Now the posters that we are going to make, it must contain these three things. These three things are essential for the posters that we people are going to make. Fine. Heading, picture and message, it is compulsory, but the description, the message should contain these three things. The description of the bandit or robber, that means the description about Bhutnath. The reward amount that the head of the village, the Mukhya, has announced. And the third thing, name of the person who has announced it. Fine. If we find that person, that whom we should contact to. Okay. Now I'll be showing you a poster that I have made. It is not necessary that you also need to follow the same format. You can draw a poster according to your wish also. Just it should have these three things in it. It should have heading, picture, message, and it should be eye catching. Once again, I'm telling you, this is a competition. I want each one of you to participate and send me the posters before Monday. Now I'll be showing you my poster. So as you can see, this is the poster that I have created. It is having all the three things, that is heading, picture as well as the message. It is providing us with information also, and it is at the same time eye catching also. Then the three things that I have told you that should be in our poster, that is description of the robber. Then at the left hand side I have written the description. After that, reward amount. So as you can see below, I have mentioned the reward amount also. And the third thing, that is the name of the person who has announced it. So I have mentioned for further details, I have written the name of the Mukhya also, that we should contact if we found this robber. Fine. So as you can see, at the topmost side I have written heading wanted, dead or alive. Then I have written the message, Bhutnath the dacoit who has looted the Nagatpur. Then I have mentioned reward, that is of rupees 10,000, which is announced by the Mukhya of the village, that is the head person. Then I have written for further details, you can contact Ram Prasad Mukhya, Nagatpur. Then at the right hand side I have drawn a picture of Bhutnath, and below it I have written his name Bhutnath. He was last seen in Nagatpur. Fine. So I have drawn this poster. Now I hope to see some very nice posters that are made by you all. It is not necessary that you follow the same format, but it should have these three details, that is description of the robber, reward amount and name of the person to contact. And it should have heading, picture plus the message. Message should be clear, it should be short, within 50 words. Again, I am reminding you, this is a competition, so take it very seriously, and before Monday send me the posters. Okay.